Hello, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech, where we talk about tech stuff, fun stuff, and much, much more. Today I want to talk to you about the ULANZI Fast Claw system. If you're like me, I do a lot of videotaping and a lot of picture taking. And the biggest situation that I have is switching from one system to another system to another system where they're not all compatible. Or their tripods have that 1/4 inch mount, but there's no quick release system. So they have a complete line of products that, where the head, the part that screws into the camera or whatever device you're connecting it to, is interchangeable with all of these products. And that makes this system fantastic, because one of the problems that you probably know as being a photographer or video photographer is that your tripods aren't interchangeable. And that can make you insane, because one has a 1/4 inch mount, you got to unscrew it, you got to do this, you got to do that. And I'm going to tell you, nothing makes me more crazy is when you're trying to get things done and you're trying to put this product and now you've got this plate and that plate and this plate, and this tripod takes this and this tripod takes that and this one does this, and you want to be able to grab, take, change, move. And we'll talk about that right now. So as I showed you the first part, the head, the very simple beginning part of the system, it allows you to screw on one side to your camera and the other side to a tripod of your choice or whatever it happens to be. Very lightweight, 9 grams, and it's very, very sturdy, made out of aluminum, not plastic. And it has a slide lock, so when you slide over to the lock side, you can't accidentally squeeze it and let it pull out. And nothing worries me more than when I'm using one of these, and the possibility of the camera coming free and popping and landing on the floor. And if you're like me, I have expensive cameras, I don't want to have that possibility. And these heads are interchangeable. Another part of the system is a belt attachment that slides in and locks in place, and you could put it on your shoulder strap, you could put it on your belt on the side, whatever belt you happen to have, that makes it really, really easy. And they make it, for just about, they have a version of this for almost every situation, such as the one that fits the ACAR Swiss quick release. They have it, and it just replaces that head, allows you to slide in, and again, the faster you can get in, the faster you can move, the faster you can change, makes everything the moment. I mean, there's nothing more frustrating than you have the camera set up on a tripod and you're doing a shoot, and suddenly you see something else that you want to take a picture of, and you're trying to unscrew that thing real quick and just get the camera up and go take a picture of it. Well, like I say, with this, you just squeeze, pull, the camera's in your hands. And of course they make the ball joint one. Let me show you that real quick. This will replace your ball head, and it has a quick release mount on the side of it, of course, for a flash or a microphone or whatever else you want to put on there. So it really, really makes it a complete system. And they even have one now for your GoPro camera. So with the 2 attachments, it just makes life so much easier. Especially, when you're trying to connect, when you're trying to, you have something, a little gorilla paw, and, I don't know if you're like me, you attach it to your camera, and maybe you want to take a few shots, then put a video camera on top of the same tripod. It's just an easier system and all around fun product to use. And because of the various configurations that you can make it, and because the head, this piece here where you screw into, is interchangeable with all of these, okay, It makes it a great product. So I hope this has been helpful for you. This is from Casey Grandpa Tech Out. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing you some more tech tips, photographic tips in the near future. And hit the little bell so you know when I'm on. So this is Grandpa Tech out now, and have a great day.